Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Powerpast Scrub Daddy is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning tools to hit the market in years, and today we're diving deep to see if it truly lives up to the hype and can revolutionize your cleaning routine, making chores faster and more efficient than ever before. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500g. Introducing the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. This powerful multi-purpose cleaner tackles grease, grime, and tough stains with ease. From your kitchen to your bathroom, it leaves surfaces gleaming. It's perfect for tiles, glass, showers, ovens, sinks, and stainless steel. Say goodbye to stubborn messes. This paste is your go-to solution for a spotless home. Its unique formula cuts through the toughest grease and grime. You'll be amazed at how quickly it works. Bring back the shine to all your surfaces. Experience a new level of clean with this incredible cleaning paste. Get more done with this generous 500g tub. It's the effective and affordable way to keep your home looking its best. What we like? This cleaning paste is a true all-rounder. It tackles grease, grime, and tough stains across multiple surfaces. If you're looking for a single solution for kitchen, bathroom, and oven cleaning, this is it. What people say. The Scrub Daddy is amazing for cleaning dishes and pots and pans. It does not scratch surfaces. It is a great sponge that holds its shape and is easy to grip. The Scrub Daddy is very durable and lasts a long time. Number 4. Scrub Daddy PowerPaste Bundle. Discover the power of natural cleaning with our innovative paste. It's a chemical-free way to tackle tough messes around your home. This paste works wonders on its own, cutting through grease and limescale with ease. You'll be amazed at how effectively it cleans and polishes. Its natural grit boosts the performance of any sponge, making even stubborn residue a thing of the past. Get ready for a deeper clean. From kitchens to bathrooms, this versatile cleaner handles it all. It cleans, polishes, and protects surfaces, leaving them looking like new. Your bundle comes with our unique Scrub Mommy sponge. It's odor-resistant, dye-free, and top-rack dishwasher safe for your convenience. Just dampen your sponge, swirl into the paste to create foam, and apply to stained surfaces. Rinse away grime for a brilliant shine. What we like? Experience a natural clean with this unique paste. It effectively cleans and polishes without harsh chemicals, and comes with a special odor-resistant sponge. If you prioritize non-toxic cleaning and a polished finish, this is the perfect choice for your home. What people say. The Scrub Daddy is a versatile cleaning tool that can be used on various surfaces, including countertops, sinks, and appliances. Its unique texture allows it to effectively remove tough stains and grime without scratching delicate surfaces. The Scrub Daddy's ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, providing a better grip during cleaning tasks. Number 3. Scrub Daddy Caddy Sponge Holder. Introducing the Daddy Caddy, the perfect storage solution for your favorite sponge. It's designed to hold your Scrub Daddy or Scrub Mommy with ease. Featuring dual suction cups, it quickly adheres to most smooth surfaces. This ensures it stays put without rotating or slipping, providing reliable stability. Its open-air design promotes better self-draining and drying. This helps eliminate odors, keeping your sink and sponge fresher. Store your sponge neatly out of the way but within easy reach. Its low-profile design is perfect for everyday kitchen tasks or deeper cleaning. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply place it on the top rack of your dishwasher for a quick and thorough clean. What we like? Keep your sink tidy and your sponge dry with this clever caddy. Its strong suction cups ensure it stays put, and the open design promotes quick drying. If you hate messy sinks and want to extend the life of your sponge, this organizer is a must-have. What people say. The Scrub Daddy is a versatile cleaning tool that can be used on various surfaces, including countertops, sinks, and appliances. Its unique texture allows it to effectively remove tough stains and grime without scratching delicate surfaces. The Scrub Daddy's ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, providing a good grip even when wet. Number 2. Scrub Daddy Eraser Sponge, 2-pack. Tired of sponges that fall apart? Our innovative cleaning sponges are designed to last 10 times longer than traditional options. Tackle tough jobs all around your home with ease. Simply dampen the scrubbing side with warm water to activate its cleaning power. It effectively removes marks, scuffs, and fingerprints from various hard surfaces. No harsh chemicals or soaps are needed. One side features a durable texture that helps remove abrasive debris. The other side tackles stubborn scuff marks, water spots, and even crayon with ease. Its ergonomic shape fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to clean even hard-to-reach areas. Get into corners, around drains, and along baseboards effortlessly. Keep your cleaning organized with vibrant colors. Assign different colors to different tasks or rooms to prevent the spread of dirt and grime. From baseboards and door frames to sneaker gums and unpainted walls, these sponges handle it all. One pad can help you clean your entire house. What we like? Tackle tough marks and scuffs with this incredibly durable eraser sponge. It's water-activated and features 2 powerful cleaning sides. If you deal with stubborn marks on walls, sneakers, or baseboards and need a long-lasting solution, this is the eraser for you. What people say. The Scrub Daddy is a versatile cleaning tool that can be used on various surfaces, including countertops, sinks, and appliances. Its unique texture allows it to effectively remove tough grime and stains without scratching delicate surfaces. The Scrub Daddy's ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, providing a good grip even when wet. Number 1. Scrub Daddy Damp Duster Towel, 2CT. Introducing the Scrub Daddy Damp Duster Towel. This durable, sponge-like towel is perfect for dusting any surface in your home. It effectively picks up dust, pet hair, dirt, and grime. Upgrade your cleaning routine with this versatile tool. It cleans spills immediately and is scratch-free, making it safe for all your surfaces. Experience a better clean than traditional rags and sponges. This towel picks up everything from pet hair to stubborn grime with ease. Achieve a thorough clean every time. It wipes surfaces clean without leaving behind any dirt, residue, or smudges. Get the most value from your cleaning supplies. This eco-friendly towel is fully reusable and built for durability, becoming a staple in your cleaning arsenal. Scrub Daddy is dedicated to creating high-performance cleaning supplies with fun, functional designs. We offer innovative solutions for all your household cleaning needs. What we like? Upgrade your dusting routine with this versatile, reusable towel. It excels at picking up pet hair and grime without leaving residue. If you have pets or want a more effective and eco-friendly way to dust surfaces, this towel is an excellent addition to your cleaning arsenal. What people say. It's a great sponge that doesn't scratch surfaces. The sponge is very durable and lasts a long time. It's easy to clean and doesn't hold on to odors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.